Alright, let's bring in Bakugan Dragonoid. And here it is. Wow, a lot of detail going on. There are two parts that are movable on this truck. I like the red wheels. First of all, the black chassis going all around here, and then where the detail is with this silver, we get the silver kind of with the chassis. I kind of also call it the sponsor board, if you will, but also the motor is silver, the driver is silver, so that's nice to have. Alright, let's bring in Bakugan Dragonoid closer so we can take a look at it. I like the red wheels. And then here is the body of the truck, just like the one that we see out on the Monster Jam circuit, of course. But look at this, the wings move a little bit. Not a whole lot, a little bit flexible, rubber. The detail on here, we get the Bakugan symbol right there, the Monster Jam symbol. There is his claws coming down, and also it says Dragonoid right there. We see his green eye and his mouth with his teeth, and then we have a movable horn right there. Then coming to the front, that's what it looks like. And then coming on to the other side, a little bit closer shot. Very cool. Die-cast truck for Dragonoid. And on top of the truck, we see the emblem or the sign for Bakugan. And then there is the dragon's tail right there. Very good. So that is Bakugan Dragonoid. It's I don't know the show that well, so I don't really know it at all. But I know that this is now kind of like Spin Master's truck, so to speak, I would say, because they have done a lot with the Bakugan Dragonoid show and everything. And if you remember, like a sponsor, well, Spin Master is not really a sponsor for Monster Jam, but you might remember Grinder was a sponsor, and it had its own truck for Advanced Auto Parts Grinder. So this, for me, this kind of falls in that category, even though it's not fully 100% like that in that category. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this review of Bakugan Dragonoid.